Good day everyone, I am Jada Chris Hardeo. We are going to demonstrate and present our inventory system, design and simplify streamline product tracking and sales monitoring for businesses like Silverline Gadgets. Let's begin with the login page, which ensures that only authorized users can access the system. This is the login page of our inventory system. It ensures that only authorized users can access the system, enhancing security and preventing unauthorized access. The Silverline Gadgets logo is displayed prominently at the top of for branding and to identify the system. Clearly, that indicates that this is the login section. Um, Email address field. This input box allows the users to enter their registered email address. It serves as the unique identifier for the user. Password field. The, pass- the password field is for entering the user's secure password. It ensures that access is protected. So, a small checkbox for the Remember Me feature. If selected, the system can remember the login credentials for future sessions, making it convenient for the user. So the login button is the action trigger. Once the user input valid credentials, clicking this button will verify the details and grant access to the system dashboard. So the system flow is users enter their email address and password. If the credentials are correct, the system will redirect them to the dashboard. If incorrect, an error message will prompt the user to recheck their credentials. So dashboard. So, after successfully logging in, the user is redirected to the dashboard page, which serves as the central hub of our inventory system. The dashboard provides us a quick and clear overview of the most important data in the inventory system, allowing the user to monitor the metrics at a glance. The total sales. This section displays the total sales made within a specific period. It helps the admin or business owner keep track of the company's revenue performance. And the total products. This section shows the total number of products currently available in the inventory. It provides an overview of stock levels to help manage inventory efficiently. And next,
So, good day everyone. I am John Lloyd Taban Flores. So, in the inventory management, you can click Add New Gadget. So, in the Add New Gadget, we have gadget name and we have quantity and price. So, in Silverline, we have has a different kind of gadget, which is laptop, um, cell phone, PC, and printer. So let's start for the laptop. We have different kind of laptop, and we will use laptop thin pad. And if you want to purchase more laptop, put in the quantity 0, 1, 1, 2, or 3. It depends on you. 3. And the price it reach 12,000. 12,000 that gadget. So right. So we also have another gadget which is cell phone. Cell phone. So we will use cell phone Infinix. All right. And the quantity also it's on you if you want to have more. But let's use number three. Number three. And for the price, it reached 5,000. So we have another gadget which is PC. Okay, PC. All right. And for the quantity, it's on you also, but we choose number 3. And for the price, it reached 15,000. 15,000. Right. Add gadget. And for the last, we have printer. We have printer. And for the quantity, it's on you also. If you wish to have more. And for the price, it reached 20,000. Add gadget. All right.
So, good day everyone. My name is Biol Batarsal. So, first of all, click the orders. Ay, ano, inventory. So, as you can see, the inventory management. So, I will update this laptop, ThinkPad. Click the update. So, I will rename this laptop HP, and also the quantity number 2, for example. In the price 13,000, and click the update gadget, and also the cell phone. I will update this. So click the gadget name. I will rename this cell phone Apple, and also the quantity is number 1, and the prices is 6,000, and click the gadget update, and also PC. I will update this. Mm, click the rename and PC Kitik, and also the quantity number 2, and the price is 13,000, and click the update gadget. That's it. So, and also in the last printer, click the gadget name or rename, printer HP, for example, and also the quantity number 2, and the price is 5,000, 5,000, and click the update, and that's all for the update. And please continue, Mr. Saldarriaga.
Good day. My name is Stephen Sadariaga. So, inventory management, inventory. So, this is inventory gadget, laptop HP, cellphone Apple, PC Kitek, printer HP. As a quantity and price, actions, update, delete. So, we will proceed the order. So you can see a laptop HP, cellphone Apple, PC Kitech, printer HP. For other products, about this is quantity. You can see quantity 2, laptop HP. Let's go to inventory. This laptop HP, the quantity is 2. So you can see ang order quantity is 2. For cell phone, same like that laptop. Cell phone Apple, we have a quantity of 1. So 1. Um, for quantity, we can update of more quantity. Ra- Like like cell phone Apple, I want to update this quantity 20. Update gadget. So 20. So order. So this spoon apple, the quantity is at 20. So you can see. For this order products, order now. I want to order a laptop one piece. Order now. So you can see our order place successful. Um, let's go to the dashboard. There have a total sales one. So let's go back to order. From cellphone Apple, buy a quantity one. Order now. So order placed successfully. Dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. We have a total sales two. For for this total products of four, let's go to inventory. This is total products: laptop, cell phone, Apple, PC, Kitech, printer, HP. See, so you can more add products like this. So I want to add a product of cell phone, cell phone Samsung, Samsung G, EGS quantity 8, price is 899. Add gadget. So about this gadget image, you can choose a file. So there are no image to save. But let's shortcut. Let's go to the add gadget. This cell phone Samsung EGS 8. The price. Go back to the dashboard. So the total product is a 5. About this inventory, we can delete this if we can have uh, product. So laptop page, you can delete this like that. So let's go to dashboard. The total product is 4. The total sales is 1 because the about of total product we delete is ulo. Okay lang. Inventory. I want to delete this all. 1, 2, 3, dashboard. So total sales is 0, total products is 0. From generate reports. Total sales 0, total order 0. Let's go back to inventory. Add new gadget. Um, like a personal computer. Personal computer. Computer. Lenovo. Quantity 5. Price is 12,999. Add gadget. So this is a personal computer Lenovo. Add inventory. Let's go to the generate report. So the total sales at generate report is a 0. Total sales 0. Let's go to the order. Um, this is a order product. The quantity is 5 from inventory quantity. Let's go order now. 1, 2, 2 quantity order now. So let's go to the generate reports. So you can see total sales is 2. And let's go back to last word. Total sales. Inventory. Delete. And that's all. So my name is Stephen Zildariaga.
My name is Jada Crisardio.
My name is Biol B. Batersal.
My name is John Lloyd Taban Flores.
So log out.
Wala kayo ang kwan pag di mo nimo part bay. No, wala po.
Ha?
Lag kay pag di mo nimo paano lag to?
Sa'yo mo naman naglag. Sa ko di man.
Ha? Ay